Hi, today I'm going to talking about disruptive technology. Disruptive technology is one of the most complex, far-reaching, and extensive technologies. Its origins are complex and may be the result of the development of emerging technologies. It may also be a technological upgrade based on the breakthrough of major core technologies or the realization of cross-integration. It may also be based on the innovative application of existing technology as the basis of industrial upgrading. Let's see an example. Make an entertainment device with talk, not a calling device with entertainment functions. This is a logic that Nokia never considered. But this is Apple's strength. Even in the 3G era, people cannot figure out how to surf the internet on their phones. But Apple uses one app after another to give users access to specific applications on the internet. Apple's App Store has also encouraged thousands of independent software developers to offer these apps. This attracted and stuck to a growing number of users and gave Apple market share and fat profits. And what followed is the story of the standard innovator's dilemma. Nokia became one of those big companies. Clayton Christensen, a professor at Harvard Business School, described. They have been at the top of the game for a long time, years or even decades. Setting the rules of the game, they listen to customers, study market trends, and invest in new technologies. In the hope of providing consumers with more and better products, but to no avail, they eventually lost their market lead. But why? Nokia used to set the rules of the game, dictating the standards and trends on telecommunications technology, devices, and carriers and other hardware makers. Its Symbian system was also an industry leader, at one point holding more than 50% of the market for smartphone systems and earning the company fat profits. At the time, Apple's iPhone was only popular among a small number of people. Apple's disruptive innovation have ultimately created a whole new market. Disruptive innovation is a small, unknown market. Big companies won't put enough effort into getting in because of their profits and market share. This gap is an opportunity for small companies to come out on top, and Apple has seized it. Rigidity and bureaucracy, the hallmarks of big companies, have proved disruptive and critical time for Nokia. It has been slow to respond to new things and technologies and to seize market opportunities, including the timing of its choice of new CEOs. As a result, time passed. During that time, the Wall Street Journal quoted an analysis as saying Nokia had 5 years behind the leaders in smartphones and the mobile internet. In the same period, Nokia has ceased to be the largest company in mobile devices, and its revenue and profit have been surpassed by Apple. And the lower end of the market, where Nokia relies heavily, Shanghai markers something like the fake products are also gaining ground. As Mr. Elo put it, MediaTek started supplying mobile phone chipsets that allow manufacturers in the Shenzhen area of China to churn out handsets at unimaginable speeds. Figures show that these manufacturers account for more than a third of global mobile phone shipments, eating into our market share in emerging markets. What's new is that these manufacturers have begun to experiment with Android phones that cost less than $100. Thank you.